It-turiżmu marbut man-negozju kiber b'rati mingħajr preċedent tul l-ewwel nofs din is-sena. Saħansitra, meta wieħed qabel din is-sena ma li għaddiet, kien hemm żieda ta' 55% f'dan it-tip ta' turiżmu li jħalli il-miljuni fl-ekonomija Maltija. L-istatistika jikkonfermawha il-lokandiera b'Matthew Mullen, General Manager tal-Lukanda Hilton, tkellem kif kienu diversi l-fatturi li wasslu għal dan, fosthom iż-żieda ta' kumpaniji li jaħdmu minn Malta.
The last number of years, we've seen an increase in business travel, predominantly from across Europe. Obviously, the new business sectors or companies coming into Malta is driving some of that, particularly the gaming industry, finance industry, insurance industry, and so on. So, those guests are travelling out of the peak summer season, which is great for the hotel business. And we've seen an increase in the last 12 months, even far greater than previous years.
Ma setax jonqos li jkun hemm il-kontribut tal-fatt li pajjiżna kienet jorganizza il-Presidenz tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Però il-Kap ta' Konferenzi Malta, Peter Kawki, spjegalna li minkejja li l-Presidenza Maltija attirat lejn pajjiżna aktar turiżmu marbut man-negozju, il-ħidma tal-Awtorita Maltija għat-Turiżmu ħallit effett li jmur lil minn hekk.
Kien hemm parti kbira tal-European Presidency imma aħna dejjem qegħdin in kuntatt ma' trade. Għalluna this year kienna a very healthy increase in the MICE market. That means incentive and conference and even events. So it's not only thanks to the European Presidency, but the promoting MTA in cooperation with trade, Malta, basically in Europe and other countries.
Din iż-żieda qed toħloq ukoll aktar impjiegi għax il-lukandi qed jespandu l-operat tagħhom biex ikunu jistgħu iwieġbu għad-domanda. Fil-fatt, il-Lukanda Hilton għamlet numru ta' xogħlijiet infrastrutturali b'investiment ta' 15 miljun euro wara li esperjenza żieda fin-numru ta' persuni li qed jagħmlu użu mis-servizzi tagħha. Mullen jinnota l-appoġġ tal-awtoritajiet f'dan kollu.
On an individual hotel basis, we obviously liaise with them on some initiatives, and particularly as part of the Hilton brand, we work well with the MTA in some of our key destination markets. For example, in Germany, we've had some key initiatives between Hilton Worldwide and the MTA to drive traffic from that particular market. So the relationship is very strong. I think the MTA are undertaking some great initiatives at the moment and working very well in partnership with the industry.
Il-Gvern qed joffri spalla lin-negozji biex ikunu jistgħu jkomplu jattiraw aktar turisti u biex Malta tibqa' l-għażla naturali għan-negozjanti.
Il-Gvern jgħinna ħafna fl-affarijiet eżempju bħal visas fejn jkun diffikultà, ovvjament everything will be screened and according to law. This helps to attract even more this type of tourism to Malta. Allura għandna kooperazzjoni ħafna mill-ministeri kollha kważi plus local councils, etc. Insomma, l-entitajiet kollha li huma konċernati to make it a full success.